Five little dinosaurs playing on the floor.
Count them with me.
Stomp, stomp, roar! Along came Mama Dino, standing by the door. She said,
Time for dinner.
and one ran for more.
Five little dinosaurs stomping all around, big feet thumping, shaking up the ground. Count them down softly, count them up loud. Five little dinosaurs, such a silly crowd.
Four little dinosaurs hiding by the chair.
Shh, stay quiet.
Think she's there?
Mama Dino tiptoed across the room once more. She said,
Bath time now.
and one dashed to the door.
Four little dinosaurs stomping all around, big feet thumping, shaking up the ground. Count them down softly, count them up loud. Four little dinosaurs, such a silly crowd.
Three little dinosaurs bouncing on the bed.
Let's be rockets.
One little said,
Mama Dino peeked in with the playful roar. She said,
teeth need brushing.
and one raced to the door.
Three little dinosaurs stomping all around, big feet thumping, shaking up the ground. Count them down softly, count them up loud. Three little dinosaurs, such a silly crowd.
Two little dinosaurs drawing on the wall.
Swirls and scribbles.
Short and tall.
Mama Dino laughed but pointed to the floor. She said,
Clean up time.
and one helped for
Two
sure.
little dinosaurs stomping all around, big feet thumping, shaking up the ground. Count them down softly, count them up loud. Two little dinosaurs, such a silly crowd.
One little dinosaur feeling kinda slow.
Yawning wide, head hanging low.
Mama Dino cuddled on the rug by the door. She said,
Bedtime now.
and he began to snore.
No little dinosaurs stomping all around, quiet little blankets tucked in safe and sound. Count them all sleeping, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Five.
Five little dinosaurs dreaming deep tonight.
Five little dinosaurs dreaming on the floor. Count them with me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.